Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use props in Sakura School Simulator. To begin, simply tap the menu button located in the top left corner of your screen. From there, navigate to Character Edit and then select Item Edit to reveal the extensive prop menu. You'll find a vast array of categories, including furniture, vehicles, and even delicious food items, ready for you to place and interact within your game world. Once you've chosen a prop, it will instantly appear in your game environment. To fine-tune its placement, utilize the intuitive move and rotate buttons, allowing for precise adjustments. For even greater control, explore the scale options to resize your props, making them larger or smaller to perfectly fit your scene. This gives you immense creative freedom to design your ideal setting. Many props in Sakura School Simulator offer exciting interactive possibilities. Your character can comfortably sit on chairs, drive various vehicles, and even hold smaller items in their hands. Furthermore, certain props feature special animations, such as doors that open and close or lights that can be switched on and off. Don't hesitate to experiment with each prop to uncover all its unique and engaging functions. For more advanced prop usage, remember to utilize the Save function to store your meticulously arranged scenes. This allows you to effortlessly load them again later, saving you valuable time when recreating complex setups. By combining multiple props, you can construct incredibly intricate structures and immersive environments, transforming your game world into anything you can imagine. The possibilities are truly endless.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.